It's me right here. My man got to slide out. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. It's good?
If that one would have not wheelied, I would have tried it.
Ready.
Yeah.
Ready. Yeah. Ready. Go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ready.
Ready. Go. Dale. Ready.
Yep.
Ready.
Yep.
Ready. Go.
Who calling?
Ready.
Yeah.
Ready. All right. Ready.
Yep.
Ready.
Yep.
Ready.
That's right there. That's right there.
Ready.
Yep.
Ready, Yadier.
Whenever y'all ready, call it.
Ready.
Yep.
Go.
Yep.
Yep.
Smoke their ass. Smoke their ass. Huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh. Ahí me la dieron, papi. Ready.
Oh, that boy was going on them, boy. That Nitro running.
Hey.
Yep.
Oh.
Nice save, bro. Good driving. You 6, you gonna take me. But everything else getting smoked. What you on? How much cell? 3 cell? This on 4 cell, he on 6. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah.
I got my type.
Let's get it. Call it. Yeah.
Ready.
Look, he jumping. Hey, you be cheating. You jumped. Watch this. Yeah, he's jumped. So you ain't really weak. You jumping on a Nitro? That's how you doing it? We got a Vic. Come on. We got a Vic on him, man. Yeah, hold on. Coming more power now, watch. Ready.
Ready.
Nice.
Diablo.
Yep. Yep. Hit the Nah, he got that. Oh, we better slow down. Ready, let's go. Y'all was up ahead of me. I'm ready. Yeah. Ready? I got you, Papa. I got you, Papa.
I lost the type, I can't even see it.
Yeah, I got you, Papa. Me and you. Come on, let's go, vamos.
Ready.
Hit his ass. Aye. Yeah. Oh. Oh, shit. Yeah. Hard on their ass. Get him out of there. Aye, he got me right. I'm ready.
Get out of here, brother.
Got his ass. Oh.
Got what? Got what?
About to run out of gas. One more before it cut out.
It's gonna cut out, I think, probably.
Don't worry about that. Oh shit. Wasn't no smoke with that thing. Thing is an animal. Yeah.
¿Es guía bueno?
Okay, I know. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
See, as soon as he said go, he want to jump. Yeah.
Right, go.
Oh, your ass.
I
Yeah.
didn't know he was going to say English. Tú dilo. Yo estoy acostumbrado a esto.
Ah, no tu hilo.
A ver, go.
Tú dilo.
Dilo otra vez, dilo otra vez.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Nice time.
Papi, I'm still on your ass though.
Come here. Come.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Walk his ass down. You see the problem? Oi. Hey, you had me. You had me up to like right here, and then after that I passed you. You ain't see that? You ain't a racer. You ain't visioning that. What? That's what you want? 5 cars? You want me to beat you by 5? Yeah. All right.
Bueno.
Yeah. Vamos.
Yo, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think I keep going.
Talk to me.
Alright, bye.
That was about 7 cars right there, huh?
Stop. How
Yeah. Ain't no letting out. We racing, baby. You better keep in it.
Yeah, you hear?
Yeah, they win, bro.
Yeah.
Ready? Go.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Winning again.
Yeah. Oh, come here, hold on. Ready?
Right. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Ah, bien, pero está, mira. It's close. It's winning again.
Full throttle. I'm watching.
liar.
I'm coming out full throttle.
You say you were punching like where your car is at.
That was that time.
Yeah.
This time I've been coming out full throttle the whole time. Yeah, you see that thing in dial. Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
One more. Come in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? Go.
No vayan a lo mal tú.
Oh, sí. Pero ese cabrón. Ready.
All right, this weekend, y'all, we got a $100 bet on the infraction. All right, so my man from Walpole come through, so we tested two.
Échalo.
Let's get it.
Ready.
Yeah.
Ready. Go.
Walk him down. You seen the walk down though, right? You seen it. You seen the walk down though. You seen the walk down though, boy.
Ready.
Straight, huh?
¿Y dónde estás parado?
Yeah. I'm coming. Oh, I should get him a black and blue. Let me see.
Ese es el plástico allá.
Come here.
No, ese.
Yeah.
Sí, no, pero yo dije, oh shit.
Yo, my man standing too close.
Sí, mira.